Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Stepan and I hope you will enjoy this video since I already finished my look. So what do you see? What do you think? How do I look? What did I use today? For today's makeup, as you can see, I'm pretty tan, so I used e.l.f. drops, which I used incorrectly. I will show you the drops again. This is the drops I used. You're supposed to use them with body lotion or with your moisturizing cream and apply it to your face and your body. I applied right away from the package, so it was hard to dissolve and hard to apply to my body evenly. So I decided I will go back with the cream. I took Nivea cream and applied on top of the bronzing. So I mix it together. It's done an alright job, and I also applied it on the face. So after that, I didn't use any primer or anything for my face. No, I used Smashbox primer. This is a spray primer which is easy to apply without touching your face. So I just sprayed it around and it made my face, I don't know what it did, but it did something. And I apply on top of that 065 Catrice HD, and it's bronze beige, and it was a bit yellow compared to the tan, but I was like, alright, I'll make it work. So I applied it here and on my neck, and then I used the powder on top of that. For the powder today, I used Anastasia Beverly Hills in translucent color. I just purchased it today. I never tried before. It says it's translucent, but when you apply it on the face, it a bit brightens up. So if you have a darker shade and you don't want to look like you just been in the attic of your grandma, or you've been cleaning somewhere where a lot of dust, or look like a Casper, please don't apply it on your face. Use something like Laura Mercier or Huda Beauty or something with pigment, what will cover a bit of your face. I did not pursue it, so I use it around my eyes to like highlight, but I also use it on my face and it became a bit lighter. It wasn't my goal today, but after that I know what not to do with this powder. For the cream contour today, I used, what did I use? Use Sun Melted, and it's also Catrice, and it's pretty tan, this one. It's darker, so I applied it, and with this foundation what I used previously, it worked pretty nice, so it's matching pretty good. And on top of that, I used the dry contour by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I just also purchased this palette, 6 different shades, as you can see, 3 highlights and 3 contours. I used 2 of them, the darker and like medium one. And for the blush, I used new palette by Revolution. This is a multiple shades palette. It's for dry. I use this one. And for the cream blush, I use e.l.f. in Coral. Is it Coral? Yeah, Coral Crush. And I used this Cheek Lift by Revolution to set it in place. For the highlighter today, I used a Rare Beauty, and it's accelerated. You see, I just use it once. I use it on my nose, my cheeks. I also apply it under my eyebrows. Do you see it? Does it look good? So what else did I use today? Let's move on to the lips before I step in with my eyes. So for the lips today, I used the Lime Crime in color Cindy, I believe. And for the contour round, I used Makeup Forever, and it was in color 7 or 8 Universal Earth. Universal Earth. So I like the Earth, it's nice and much the Cindy. It's darker a bit when the Lime Crime lipstick, but I like it. I didn't like Lime Crime's lipsticks applicator. I would prefer it would be something much bigger or nicer, but anyway, I use the brush, and also I have like one-time use brushes to apply my lips. And on top of that, on the bottom lip, I apply a bit of gloss of NYX Butter Gloss on the lower lip, but you see it's kind of not there, but still there. It's not sticky at all, so it's nice, but it doesn't last, I believe. Let me check it with my mirror. I would say it's alright. Yeah. I mean, it's not the best gloss. You would need to reapply it soon enough, but at least I can see it shine a bit. It's not so matte, but still it doesn't sticks. Yeah. Okay, let's move on to the eyebrows. Eyebrows I don't want to lie to you, I used LA Girl and it was medium brown. I just shaved them a bit. I didn't glue them today with the, you can see I used my natural shape. And for the eyes I use Maneater by Tarte. I don't know if they still selling that. And for the shades I use this brown, which you can see. I also apply it to the top of this and this two light, and for the glitter I use this one shade right here. I use the glitter by Eye Candy in Coral on the crease right here, closer to my eyelashes, and going to my arrow here. I use it like eyeliner. You probably will see it here and here on top of the arrow. On top of the wing, I use it for the wing. You will see it. And for the, this is the glass crystals, what I got from AliExpress, I believe. Looks nice, don't you think? For eyelashes I use AliExpress. I just apply single line and it fit me well. For the eyeliner I used Inglot in color brown at 90. This is Inglot 90. I applied in inner eye and a bit on the lower right here, but for the wing right here, for the beak, I used KVD liner in brown. And I also applied underneath of my eyelashes, falsy lashes, what I applied after I made my eyelashes work. So we also can apply the mascara, which was the True Brown by High Sky by Maybelline. I need to apply a bit because I did not glue them together with the falsy, and it's already been a long time. Okay, so this is the second layer or third, and it makes them longer, but you won't see it since I have my falsies here. And I think it's pretty much it for the look today. I didn't do any extra otherwise. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below what you want to see in the next videos. This was Stepan, and see you next time. Thank you for your support, and thank you everyone for being here with me. Bye!